Hi, boys and girls. Today, let's read Colin the Crocodile by Louise Firth. Colin is a crocodile who lives in Cambouroo. He's big and strong and fierce and long. There's not much he can't do. He startles deer and buffalo and frightens frogs for fun. When tigers spot him near the bank, they turn around and run. He loves to swing his mighty tail. With each outrageous flick, he leaps up high to snap at birds. It's Colin's favorite trick. He's proud to be a crocodile and knows to his delight there is no animal alive with a more crushing bite. But one day, Colin Crocodile is feeling rather sad. He cannot clean his big croc teeth and fears they will go bad. No matter what I try to do to get a pearly sheen, nothing works, poor Colin cries. I'll never make them gleam. I know that I'm a crocodile who gives you all a fright, but please will someone lend a paw to make my teeth bright white? The zebras will not help him. They're scared of Colin's crunch. The monkeys will not come too close in case he sneaks a munch. At last a bold giraffe calls out, "You really have some cheek to ask us for our help, and yet you scare us every week. When you're hiding in the water, we soon forget you're there, and then you send us scampering when you pop up for air." I'll find myself a stick, he thinks, and grabs one with his claws. But when he stretches up to brush, he cannot reach his jaws. He tries to rub his teeth on rocks beside the river's edge. He moves his head from side to side, but scrapes his chin instead. Ouch! Just when he thinks that all is lost, he hears a birdie's chatter. "I want to help," the brave bird chirps. "Please tell me, what's the matter?" "It's my teeth," poor Colin cries. "The meat just sticks within, and when I put on my big croc smile, it spoils my gorgeous grin." "Don't give up," the birdie sings. "The answer is quite clear. Open wide, I'll hop inside and clean them from in here." And so the plover bird begins to peck at Colin's teeth. She cleans them all until they gleam while feasting on the meat. And so it is in nature, from the Nile to Cambouroo. Brave plover birds help crocodiles to clean their teeth. Would you? Have you cleaned your teeth today? If you enjoyed this reading of Colin the Crocodile, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel or visit our website at www.annemiranda.com. Until next time, happy reading!